Hi people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are most and highly welcome. Okay guys, so are you having brown teeth, or you're having plaque, or you are having dental decay, or you're having a bad odor? Okay, you are at the right place. Okay, because this home remedy that I'm going to be showing you is going to remove all of that. Alright, so and don't forget to watch till the end because you are going to be learning a whole lot. So don't forget to thumbs up this video and please share the video, turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and drop your questions at my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright, let's go into the video. To remove the dental plaque, we're going to be needing rice powder. Now rice is not only for consumption, it is great for the skin and as well as the teeth, guys. It helps because it contains a whitening property that helps so much in whitening of the teeth, and it therefore leave your gum healthy. And we're going to be needing just a little quantity of this alum, just a little quantity. Okay, it purifies water and it helps also in whitening of the teeth. Then we're going to be needing toothpaste, okay, and then we're going to be putting in a little bit of baking soda. Okay, it will help also in whitening of the teeth. We're going to be needing coconut oil for this remedy, so to protect gum and also remove bacterials and germs that is actually causing plaque and dental decay. I'm going to be taking in half tablespoon of the rice powder because I'm not going to be needing that too much, and I'm also going to be needing alum, so I'm going to be blending creating the alum so I could get just a little bit of powder. Okay, just a little is going to be okay. Alright guys, so for the alum we're going to be needing just this, okay, and I'm going to be putting that into the mix. Then we're also going to be needing half tablespoon of baking soda. We're going to be pressing in the toothpaste, and we're going to be scooping in 1 tablespoon of that. Okay, so I'm going to be keeping this first. Let me turn it and see if that is going to be enough. Alright, so that is enough guys, so I'm going to be returning that. Right guys, to make this even better, we're going to be squeezing in just a little bit of lemon. Okay, so now we have a very good paste and the consistency is perfect guys. Actually use it once. You should and must use it once in a week. Don't repeat it more than once. Now it is actually because of the baking soda, lemon and alum in it. You have to use it once, but when you use it once, all of your plaque, your dental plaque decay will be gone, like trust me on. Right, so for the plaque I have the treatment here and I have a brush here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to take in the, now look at that, oh my goodness. All right, so now you're just gonna brush your teeth from the upper side down. Okay, that's actually why I love using towel. Okay, you have to now brush the inner part. You have to continually take in, sorry, you have to continually take the product inside, okay? Because this one does not foam, so you have to continually take the product inside. You brush your upper part. Okay. Now you have to, I must spit it out, okay? And then you brush it in. Okay, so remember to brush your tongue, and I'm gonna be brushing that in a circular motion. And you brush the inner part of your tongue. Then you wash it out, okay? Alright, so when your tongue is not white, like you can see my tongue is not white, that's when it is clean, okay? So once in a week. Perfect. So that's it, guys. Scrub out and remove all of those stuff, guys, and you have to use this once in a week. Just once, only one, okay? And your teeth is going to be white as snow, very white. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you did love the video, please don't forget to hit on the like button, and please share this video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, if you're new, and drop your questions at my website. The link will be at my comment section, and I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye, guys.